Check out this loan that we just funded in Tooele, Utah, one of the fastest growing counties in the nation. Jason, a local real estate investor, came to us for funding to make the finishing touches on this fix and flip before he gets it ready for sale. He also wanted some cash reserves for carrying costs and just to have a little extra cushion because he's not sure how long it'll take him to sell this house. Jason has perfect credit and he's a contractor by trade. He is essentially the perfect borrower, but he doesn't like to use traditional sources of financing to fund his real estate deals. He doesn't like to use mortgage companies, banks, and credit unions because they are just too slow and their terms are super inflexible. Instead, Jason comes to us for private money loans to make his real estate investments. In fact, we have been funding real estate deals for Jason for almost 15 years now, and we have helped Jason become a millionaire in real estate investing. If you'd like to do the same, reach out to me and find out how Jason has done it.